We are at the third and final day at the air show. We're actually just gonna walk around and enjoy it today. Yeah, we out here.
We're gonna have a good time.
Alright, so they got trucks. Can you tell me about your burrito that you got today?
Yeah, so I got a California burrito. So you got some French fries, a little bit of California, maybe a little bit of San Diego. I got a little bit of awesomeness, and that's about...
That's the most important ingredient.
It is.
Fucking deliciousness. Yeah, out here, that way. Alright, so we're in the final day of the air show and the MCAS demo is about to go on. I love the MCAS demo because they blow a lot of stuff up. Get your fresh squeeze lemonade here! But to get as much free stuff as I can. Starting off with 5 Hour Energy. Free 5 Hour Energy. Here, what do you think we're doing? We're getting some beer. Yeah. Goose Island IPA. Now, vendors. See what kind of stuff we can get. Interact with the public because they love us. Yeah. We live, baby. Yeah. At the PlayStation setup. Greatness awaits.
Gotta check it out.
See what you got. Check it out. What is that? Flash, baby.
So it was a pretty good time today.
Yeah, I found out David has a weird talent. I don't know what grown man is that good at hula hooping, but it's this guy. But yeah, overall, air show was popping. There was great food, all that good stuff. People were cool, you know what I mean? I got rejected from a high five by a little girl, but no big deal, you know what I mean? Let's go.